I have some good news for you. So, I've been thinking a lot and I have decided that I will start to give signals daily on Telegram. It will be completely for free. The only thing I would like that you do is that you open account with one of the brokers that you find with the link below the video. With this link you will basically see 3 different types of brokers. If you are from United States or Australia or other very restricted country, you can use the link that is for United States. I have a mate with American flags, so it's very easy to choose. Choose that broker. Other than that, you can use any of the brokers if you're from any other country. Okay, so as you can see, I'm here enjoying my time here at the beach in Brazil, and I always bring my cell phone with me, and I will take from now on. I will start to take some signals. I did just add a signal just a little while ago. I will do it a little different than typical signal sites. I will take trades without stop loss. So probably will be trades that we open today, for example, and close tomorrow or a few days from now. I will take trades when there are quite good entries, and then I will also send in notification when I close the trades, if I close in loss or if I close in profit. Like for example, you can see the trade I just closed it today. We did take it in the end of last week, and I think it was Friday actually, and we got like 100 something profit from that trade. I did take a 0.15 lot on that trade. I started the account with just $1,000 to make it realistic, so you can see the growth of the account together with me. And if you start with $1,000 also now, you can grow the account together with me if you want to do that. So make sure you open, like I said, with one of the links below, because it's how you help me out. So also I can make a little, because I will make from the fees when you're trading. So that's how I will make money. So once again, I hope you will join. There will be a link below, of course, to this Telegram channel, so you can join today and you can start to follow my trades. And also, if you want to talk with me, you can DM me in Telegram, and you can talk with me there. I reply for everyone. And also, if you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comment field also. And of course, subscribe to my channel. You help me out tremendously just by doing that. And of course, to like the video so I get more people to see also this type of videos. So if you like this type of videos where I'm just talking like this, if that's okay for you, let me know. If you want more where I'm in my computer and I'm showing things, I will do that also. Right now I don't have the best equipment because I'm here at the beach, so I just start filming with my cell phone. So I don't manage to make these fancy videos with computer and everything, but I will, by the way, make some videos like this, probably make some facelet videos where I make with myself and I can show when I take trades and things like this also. That probably can make some sense. I think also I'm thinking about posting the signals in Instagram. I will try to see if there's any interest over there, so I will post now the signal I did just recently over in Instagram also to see if there's some interest there. So I will leave a link also below the video for my Instagram channel if you want to follow there. So that's how I'm going to do forward. I hope you like it, and I see you on the next video. Have an amazing day.